to know where you're going to put your marks from. I have the top mark because the log is a little bit out of the way, so I have to eyeball it now. So I have the mark here and I put another mark. Okay, so this is now your reference line for the center. And now on each side of this one we go 9 and here on 18. And here as well. We can eyeball where the center of the log. Yeah, looks centered to me. And now you can snap this line just in the middle, take it up higher. Yeah, good. Okay, so now I can use a square. Okay. Okay.
It's gonna be tough work getting to a gamma after.
Okay, so now this would be your roughly finished. From the curve out. You go from this direction, you will start.
It will sit on a foundation, so there will be no bending force that it has to take. It's really just to pull it together and
Push it in the wood a bit. You go 2 times backwards. 1, 2, okay, 3. What happened now? The drill pulled out the screw, and now you put the gear and then go forward. And it takes out the drill, goes up, locks, and then you clean the shavings. But this one you can just have to feel it. And then here as well, these sides I used to remove with a corner chisel. Once you have already that groove, then you go from one side on an angle. But if you have already that shoulder, that means that you will, or that your saw will already be in that groove. So you shouldn't worry. So, but that's how you make an angle cut. You cannot make an angle cut if you just start straight and try to go somewhere down straight. Because the saw, whatever you little bit start, if you start a little bit off, the saw will bring you down off. So you go a little bit on an angle. And so same here. But the idea that you are efficient where it needs to be, remove the material fast, you push it slightly like this. Yeah, so you slice it. Yeah. Start to go already with a flat side of a slick, but then you need to start to follow the grain. You need to see where the grain is going, and then you have to start to be careful. So you see the cut where I went with a chisel, it starts already to, but there I don't have that one, so I have to be careful. So you can create this little bit bevel up and bevel it down to the line, and then afterwards you can start to move it down. done with the chisel, you bring it down to the line.
Okay.
So this will be.
We need. Yep, it's coming.
Closer to the original.
Even no closer towards the shoulder, so we make a much bigger offset, right? Yep, it's going perfect. Yeah, because you can't see it anyway.
So I moved in here from that line 10 millimeters on purpose to have a small shoulder here. So when we will cut it, you will see how it will look. Because all the braces now will be the same, we now have the measurement from here to here.
Nope. Yeah. Both sides.
Hit both sides.
There you go. Drop it.
Yeah, there we go.
In. Yep.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Yes. You measure square.
Another post, we don't need any more joints. Okay, slowly. Now we go down the corner.
I'm out of it.
Good.
Oh, we're in.
Three. Slowly.
Give it up.
Hold on.
Oh. Hit the socket. In. Pass it off.
Here's also in.
Right here's.
We're in.
Okay, we got just
Oh.
sag in the middle.
That's sagging in the middle.
No, there's no supports in the middle.
Yeah. This one comes in here.
Can I see that? That's where you want it? Yeah.
No, wait.
Here?
3, 2, this is the king post. Yeah, this goes here.
Tie beam.
Tie beam. Put the tie beams already in.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, lift it up.
There we go. Put it in the pigs.
Easy now.
No, we can't get him.
No, it's an offset down there. Watch your hip. You know ours. Then raise. Hammer here. Hammer. We need Tommy's wives. Where's the glass?
Inside and drop it in.
One solid one.
You can bring it inside and then go.
You know the bottom's taken badly.
Is it?
Oh yeah, up.
Actually, no.
Slide it this way.
Here we go. Yeah.
There's the pins.
I'm pretty tight.
Yep.
Yeah. Give me a sec. Can you peg it out a little bit?
There we go.
Dad, are you gonna be good getting down?
My goodness, this is high.
Oh, wow.
No, yeah. Scat probably race. You got the brake? Yeah, you run that first race. The socket?
Walking the balls.
Yes, that's comfort.
There it goes.
All day. Let's get a shot.
First go back in, walk them in.
Yep.
It's in.
This way.
That's good. Good.
You go.
Don't touch your feet.
You got it now?
Yeah, let's do it from the inside next time. Here, 1 second.
I need to know.
Yep. That modification. You want to
Make a group picture and really
I didn't see them. Now we start. Go. Blue sweat, go.
Here. 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Slowly.
Vistani in the middle, you would say. Alright. Where says something? Hammer. Did you give me a hammer? I got you. Got it?
Oh, the shoulder? Oh, we did the line, yeah? Yeah, we did. Oh, it's okay, it's a line.
Okay, into the building. Five races.
Yep. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Nice.